In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and replace the XLS LCD screen assembly. Before performing the work, you want to make sure that you log into Xlink remotely and power down the machine. If you have the capability, it's best to take off the side skin if you have a single door unit. If you don't have the ability, then you'll need to squeeze in through the front door. If your machine is equipped with door slots, you may need to remove the door restraint so you can have more room to get into the machine to get access to the screen. Make sure that you're careful with the washers. The white washers will need to be on either side of the slide. After opening the door, and if you have the ability to, removing the side skin, you want to disconnect cables on the bottom of the screen and at the top. After the cables have been removed, you will want to remove the 3 screws at the top. There's 2 screws on either end. And then the screws at the bottom, you don't need to remove completely because the assembly is slotted, so you can easily remove just by lifting. This will also make reinstallation of the screen much easier as well. After the screws have been removed, you should be able to lift the screen, and then you want to rotate it, and you'll also need to pull the Y belt back out of the way. Also remember, you only need to loosen the bottom screws, you don't need to completely remove them. To install the replacement screen, just follow the steps in reverse order. After you've installed the side screws and the outer screws on the top, you may need to use a short screwdriver to reinstall the screw in the center. And then reattach the cables in the reverse order. After reconnecting all the cables, don't forget to tighten down the screws at the bottom if you haven't done so already.